And the time that we were doing this one experiment, we had just put together a combination of different fluids. We got some beer from the bar across the street. We got some Coke. We got some used motor oil. One of the guys peed into a cup. We threw some urine in there. And we just, anything that might have any kind of a protein in it, we put it in there. And it was we didn't measure it out or anything, so I can't tell you what the formulation was, but we had that on a generator, and we were running it and adjusting, making different adjustments, and all of a sudden, there was a blue, like arc or aura that just went out from the generator, and it engulfed the shop. There was no one got shocked. There was no effect on anything else electronic that was happening in the shop. It just went out, as you would see on some science fiction movies where there's some kind of a plasma blast. And when that happened, the engine just smoothed out and purred like a kitten. I mean, it was perfect. But then the aura left, the blue, and it was a blue glow. It was significant, almost like the sky, but it had that electrical feeling about it. And I said no one got shocked, but there was a charge in the air. And then it went away, and we never got it to replicate, but something happened. There's a combination of the tip on the rod, the concave, the fuel that was going in it, and the air intake that we were adjusting. And so that was just a very phenomenal thing, very unusual. And we tried recreating it, but we never could recreate it. We spent about a week trying to recreate it. We never could do that. So that was the most phenomenal thing.